Here we are on today's ride in Santa Pola. See the big blue over there? We're on the Kona today. Off-roading. I'm pushing at the moment though, it's been a bit of a climb to be honest. Going down this boardwalk, and then you'll see it in a minute. It jumps out over the cliff. I'll take you there, you can see it. It's marker in distance.
It's over now, all over now. It's over.
there. I'm just shooting the time lapse. You can see the camera there. Working stop down beach kind of.